Welcome! Today, we're diving into the essentials of organizing a state office folder. Whether you're working in a government agency, a public institution, or simply want to keep your records in order, knowing what documents belong in this folder is crucial. A well-maintained folder ensures that you have quick access to important paperwork, helps you stay compliant with regulations, and saves time during audits or reviews. In this video, we'll break down the types of documents you should keep, why they matter, and some tips for keeping everything organized. Let's get started by understanding the purpose of a state office folder. The main goal of a state office folder is to centralize all critical documents related to your role, department, or agency. This folder acts as a single point of reference for official records, making it easier to retrieve information when needed. It also helps maintain transparency and accountability, especially when multiple people access the same documents. By keeping everything in one place, you reduce the risk of losing important paperwork and ensure that your office runs smoothly. Now, let's look at the types of documents you should include. One of the first things to keep in your state office folder is official correspondence. This includes letters, memos, and emails exchanged with other departments, agencies, or external organizations. These documents serve as a record of communication and can be crucial for clarifying decisions, tracking requests, or resolving disputes. Make sure to file both incoming and outgoing correspondence and organize them by date or subject for easy reference. Keeping these records ensures you have a clear paper trail for any future inquiries. Another essential category is policies and procedures. These documents outline the rules, guidelines, and standard operating procedures for your office or department. Having up-to-date copies in your folder ensures that everyone is on the same page and can reference the correct procedures when needed. This is especially important during staff transitions or when training new employees. Always keep the latest versions and note any updates or revisions to avoid confusion. Meeting minutes are a vital part of your state office folder. These records capture the discussions, decisions, and action items from official meetings. By keeping detailed minutes, you create a transparent record of what was agreed upon and who is responsible for follow-up tasks. This is invaluable for accountability and for referencing past decisions. Store minutes in chronological order and include any supporting documents or attachments discussed during the meetings. Legal documents are another must-have in your folder. These include contracts, agreements, licenses, permits, and any other paperwork with legal implications. Keeping these documents organized and easily accessible is crucial for compliance and for protecting your office's interests. Make sure to include both active and expired documents, clearly marking their status. This helps you stay prepared for audits or legal reviews at any time. Financial records are essential for tracking your office's budget, expenditures, and financial planning. This category includes invoices, receipts, budget reports, and expense statement. Keeping these documents in your state office folder not only helps with day-to-day management, but also ensures you're ready for financial audits. Organize them by fiscal year or project for easy access, and always keep copies of supporting documentation. Personnel files are a key component of any state office folder. These files contain employment records, job descriptions, performance evaluations, and training certificates for staff members. Properly maintaining these documents ensures compliance with employment laws and helps with staff management. Remember to keep these files confidential and limit access to authorized personnel only. If your office handles projects, it's important to keep all related documentation in your folder. This includes project proposals, timelines, progress reports, and final evaluations. Having a complete record of each project helps with future planning and demonstrates accountability. Organize these documents by project name or number, and include any relevant correspondence or approvals. Audit reports are critical for maintaining transparency and accountability. These documents detail the findings of internal or external audits, including recommendations for improvement. By keeping audit reports in your state office folder, you ensure that your office can quickly address any issues and demonstrate compliance with regulations. Include both completed and ongoing audit documentation for a comprehensive record. If your office applies for grants, keep all related documents in your folder. This includes application forms, supporting materials, approval letters, and grant agreements. Maintaining a complete record of grant activity helps with reporting requirements and ensures you have all the information needed for renewals or future applications. Insurance policies are another important category. These documents protect your office against various risks and liabilities. Keep copies of all active and expired insurance policies, along with any related correspondence or claims. This ensures you can quickly access policy details or file a claim if needed. Permits and licenses are essential for legal operation. Keep copies of all relevant permits and licenses in your folder, including renewal notices and application forms. This helps you stay compliant with local, state, and federal regulations and ensures you're always prepared for inspections or renewals. Compliance records document your office's adherence to laws, regulations, and internal policies. This includes inspection reports, compliance checklists, and certification documents. Keeping these records up to date demonstrates your commitment to following the rules and can be invaluable during audits or investigations. Training materials are important for onboarding new staff and keeping current employees up to date. Include manuals, guides, and training schedules in your state office folder. This ensures that everyone has access to the resources they need to perform their jobs effectively and safely. Organizational charts provide a visual representation of your office's structure. Keeping updated charts in your folder helps clarify reporting lines and responsibilities. This is especially useful during staff changes or when new employees join the team. Emergency procedures are vital for safety and preparedness. Include evacuation plans, emergency contact lists, and response protocols in your folder. Having these documents readily available ensures that everyone knows what to do in case of an emergency, helping to protect both people and property. IT and security policies are increasingly important in today's digital world. Keep copies of your office's technology use policies, data protection guidelines, and cybersecurity protocols. These documents help safeguard sensitive information and ensure compliance with privacy laws. Inventory lists track your office's assets and supplies. Include up-to-date lists of equipment, furniture, and other resources. This helps with budgeting, maintenance, and loss prevention. Make sure to update these lists regularly and include purchase or warranty information when possible. A correspondence log is a running record of all incoming and outgoing communications. This log helps you track the flow of information and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Include details like date, sender, recipient, and subject for each entry. This is especially useful for high-volume offices or when handling sensitive matters. Annual reports summarize your office's activities, achievements, and financial status over the past year. Keeping these reports in your folder provides a comprehensive overview of progress and helps with future planning. Include both narrative summaries and supporting data for a complete picture. Strategic plans outline your office's long-term goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Keeping these documents in your state office folder ensures that everyone is aligned with the office's mission and objectives. Update your strategic plans regularly to reflect changing priorities and progress. Press releases are official statements issued to the media. Keeping copies in your folder helps track public communications and ensures consistency in messaging. Include both drafts and final versions, along with any related media coverage or feedback. Public notices inform the community about important events, changes, or requirements. Keep copies of all notices issued by your office, including posting dates and distribution lists. This helps demonstrate transparency and ensures you can verify that proper notification procedures were followed. Complaint records document any grievances or concerns raised by staff, clients, or the public. Include complaint forms, investigation notes, and resolution outcomes. Keeping these records helps your office address issues promptly and demonstrates a commitment to accountability. Incident reports capture details about accidents, injuries, or unusual events in the office. These records are important for safety, insurance claims, and future prevention efforts. Include all supporting documentation, such as witness statements or photographs, to provide a complete account. Visitor logs record the names, dates, and purposes of all visitors to your office. Keeping accurate logs helps with security and can be useful for contact tracing or investigations. Store logs securely and update them regularly. Maintenance records track repairs and upkeep for office equipment and facilities. Include service logs, work orders, and warranty information. Keeping these records helps you manage assets efficiently and plan for future maintenance needs. Procurement records document the purchase of goods and services. Include purchase orders, vendor contracts, and delivery receipts. These records support financial accountability and help you track spending over time. Travel authorizations approve official trips and related expenses. Keep copies of travel requests, approvals, and itineraries in your folder. This ensures compliance with travel policies and makes reimbursement easier. Expense reports document costs incurred by staff for official business, include receipts, approval forms, and reimbursement records. Keeping these documents organized supports financial transparency and simplifies audits. Timesheets track employee work hours, leave, and overtime. Keeping accurate timesheets helps with payroll processing and ensures compliance with labor laws. Store these records securely and update them regularly. Payroll records include salary information, deductions, and tax documents. Keeping these records is essential for accurate payroll processing and for meeting tax reporting requirements. Store payroll records securely and limit access to authorized personnel. Tax filings are critical for compliance with state and federal tax laws. Keep copies of all tax returns, supporting documents, and correspondence with tax authorities. This ensures you can quickly respond to any inquiries or audits. Budget proposals outline your office's financial plans for the upcoming year. Include draft and final versions, supporting data, and approval forms. Keeping these documents organized helps with financial planning and demonstrates fiscal responsibility. Procurement policies guide the purchase of goods and services. Keep copies of your office's procurement guidelines, approval processes, and vendor selection criteria. This ensures that all purchases are made according to established rules and helps prevent conflicts of interest. Vendor contracts detail agreements with suppliers and service providers. Keep signed contracts, amendments, and correspondence in your folder. This helps manage relationships and ensures that all parties meet their obligations. Asset management records track the acquisition, use, and disposal of office assets. Include asset registers, transfer forms, and disposal records. Keeping these documents helps with inventory control and financial reporting. Confidentiality agreements protect sensitive information shared with staff or external partners. Keep signed agreements and related correspondence in your folder. This helps safeguard your office's data and intellectual property. Record retention schedules outline how long each type of document should be kept. Include your office's retention policy and any relevant legal requirements. This helps ensure compliance and supports efficient document management. Destruction certificates document the secure disposal of sensitive records. Keep certificates and logs of destroyed documents to demonstrate compliance with privacy and data protection laws. This is especially important for confidential or personal information. Reference materials support your office's work and decision-making. Include manuals, handbooks, and research reports relevant to your operations. Keeping these resources handy ensures that staff can access the information they need quickly. Forms and templates streamline routine tasks and ensure consistency. Keep blank copies of commonly used forms, such as leave requests, purchase orders, and incident reports. This makes it easy for staff to complete paperwork correctly and efficiently. Correspondence templates help standardize official communications. Keep templates for letters, memos, and emails in your folder. This ensures that all outgoing correspondence maintains a professional tone and format. To wrap up, a well-organized state office folder is the backbone of efficient office management. By keeping all essential documents in one place, you ensure compliance, transparency, and quick access to information. Remember to update your folder regularly, follow retention schedules, and protect sensitive information. With these best practices, your office will be prepared for any audit, review, or unexpected event. Thanks for watching, and good luck organizing your state office folder.